What's going on, guys? Today I am out at McKinney Sink. You can kind of see it in the background with my lovely girlfriend Courtney, and I'm actually out here doing an overview video of the BodyArmor4x4 rooftop tent, but we're also doing kind of like an afternoon trip, and we're gonna cook some fajitas and kind of hang out for a little bit just because it's a nice day finally in Florida. It's not raining and it's actually not too hot out, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so as you can see, I have the tent up behind me. I just filmed the overview video, so if you want to check that out, that'll actually be posted before this video, so I'll leave a link up in the top. So yeah, now that that's up, we're not going to be using it tonight. Like I said, we're not camping out here, we're just kind of doing the overview video and making a day trip and kind of hanging out. So now we're going to go ahead and cook some fajitas because we're super hungry. She's already digging into the chips back there. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking, and then we're just gonna kind of eat and hang out and then disappear. Alright, so we got the fajitas started, the chicken's cooking there, I got the peppers cut up, those will go in after, got the tortillas. Yeah, so we're hoping this gets done pretty quick because it's getting kind of dark and we're super duper hungry, so hopefully we'll be good to eat pretty quick.
We have a whole bunch of these left over because they were BOGO at Publix a while ago, but I gotta say, Truly and White Claw are better. This is the worst one. So Chase is putting the peppers in now. Those should just take a couple minutes and then we should be good to eat. So as you can see, it's super dark out now. So luckily the fajitas are done. The tent is packed up and we are just gonna eat and then head out because it is getting dark.
Alright guys, so we're on our way out of the woods. We got kind of rushed there at the end because we gotta get back to some dogs and get them fed and walked and whatnot. So I don't even know honestly if this is enough footage to turn into a video. I guess I'll find out when I get back to edit it, but if it does and I post it, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos. Like I said, this was just a day trip, and we're gonna do some camping trips in the future once it cools down a little bit and get to actually use and break in the rooftop tent, so that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sorry for my recording skills.